ICRISAT, and this time the Karnataka government team is here to participate in the 41st anniversary celebrations of ICRISAT, and the spirit that ICRISAT brings to the work of agriculture research and extension, dedicated to the issues of smallholder dryland farmers. It is an enormous dedication they bring to this work, and the spirit of tackling challenges and providing solutions to these farmers. That dedication is very inspiring for us. Are working with the farmers, be it in Karnataka or anywhere else. So 41 years of very meaningful work, very fruitful work, and 41 years well spent in the service of most marginalized farmers, that is the small holding rain-fed farmers of the world. So I commend the work done by ICRISAT during the last 41 years. And on this occasion, they have also recognized Government of Karnataka for the partnership we have had with ICRISAT through the Bhuchetana program. So that partnership started several years ago by the initiative of senior officers of Government of Karnataka. And now that partnership is very solid and it is evolving. We started with a simple idea, and having found impactful results, now we are further strengthening that partnership. We have now evolved Bhuchetana Plus, and we are working with ICRISAT to develop a program suited for rain-fed agriculture, and especially small holding rain-fed agriculture. So ICRISAT has always responded to our needs, and they have gone beyond their calling to be a true partner in every sense of the word, and to respond to all our needs whenever we have had any request of them. So we cherish this partnership. A great foundation has been laid, and I hope in future the partnership between Government of Karnataka and ICRISAT will lead to lot more benefits to the farmers of Karnataka, particularly the small holding rain-fed dependent farmers who are really under great distress. And this partnership will, I'm sure, benefit them a lot more. So I thank ICRISAT for their dedication and for their ever willingness to serve the farming community. I congratulate them on their 41st anniversary, and I also wish them many more years of fruitful service to the farming community of the world.